model, 2012 Ford Transit 2.2 TDCI 135 T430 rear-wheel drive 17-seater minibus 12 months MOT no VAT bargain. Body, white, minibus. Mileage, 55,342. Engine, 2,198 cc 2.2135 PS TDCI-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. No warning lights on the dash whatsoever. This is one very clean super low mileage factory fitted 17-seater minibus and will be an absolute bargain for anyone who purchases it. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest minibus which has been well